Let's figure out what the best routine is for you specifically. It starts with an honest question of asking yourself, how many days realistically can you commit each week to training, working out, bettering yourself in the present and the future? Now, based on this, it's going to allow you to understand what muscle groups you should be hitting on each of those days. In my experience of personal training, 1,000 people, okay? Most people either want 1, 2, or 3 days a week. I highly recommend you try and get at least 2. 1 is like bare minimum, but if you can get 2, that is like, the bottom of the foundation. I would try, if you're not doing anything, try and get 1, but if you're doing 1, bump it up to 2. But anyways, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days a week, I think that full body training, so you're training 1 exercise per muscle group each day for 3 days a week. Usually a rest day in between each. I really like the 3 days of functional training a week. It's optimal for most people that have come in with full-time jobs, that have kids, stressful life, family. That is kind of that sweet spot where they can get everything that they need done in their body in like 45-minute workouts 3 times a week, and that is kind of a good sweet spot. But say you want to go 4 days a week. You can still do functional training, but you might get more benefit for your time if you look at something like an upper-lower split or more of a bro split. Shoulders, like doing the first workout of legs, second one of shoulders, third of back and buys, and fourth of chest and triceps, and then sprinkling in abs and calves in that mix. The upper-lower, on the other hand, is doing a first workout as an upper body. You're doing chest, back, shoulders, triceps, biceps. Second day, you're doing lower body, so doing everything in the legs. Then the third workout of the week would be back up to an upper body. And then the fourth is closing out with the lower body, and you're mixing in abs and then the other functional movements that we're going to be talking about in the rest of this video. So you're a savage and you want to do 5 days a week, like only 2 days off, okay? Well, here's what I would do. I would probably do a push-pull legs, upper-lower. So first workout of the week is going to be push, upper body, okay? So you're focused on chest and shoulders. Then you're going to do a pull workout focused on the back and biceps, exercises where we're pulling. And then the next day is going to be legs. So we're doing all lower body workouts. The fourth workout of the week would be upper body. Since we've just had a day of rest, we did upper body, chest and shoulders. Second workout was upper body, back and biceps. Third workout was legs, but also a rest day for upper body. And then the fourth workout is going to be coming back up to upper body. It's also a day that we're resting our legs, so then we're going to come back on the 5th and final day of the week and do legs again. So that would be a recipe if you want to work out 5 days a week. Then we have 6 days a week, the Savage plus 1, okay? On a Savage plus 1 schedule of 6 days a week, I would recommend doing push-pull legs, maybe a rest day, push-pull legs. So push, like we spoke about, is going to be chest and shoulders and some triceps. Then pull, back, biceps. Then third workout is legs of the week. Then maybe a rest day, or hey, you just want to do it all and then take a rest day, fine. The fourth workout will be a push day again, working on the chest and shoulders. Then 5th day, back, biceps, boom. Then 6th and final day is legs, and then you could throw the rest day in there. That's what I would do for 6 days. Now, really want to push it and do 7 days? I highly recommend you don't do this because rest and recovery plays a huge factor into muscle growth and strength gains and fat loss. And so it's important for your body to rest and recover and allow your muscle tissue to, recover itself. But here's how you could do it if you want to do 7 days a week. You would just maybe stick to the push-pull legs, or you could do a full body every single day. The key would be to just drop the volume down, right? So if you're doing 5 sets for your muscle groups on, push-pull legs, you're doing 5 sets on chest, 5 sets on shoulders, and then you're gonna do on the next push day, 5 sets on chest, 5 sets on shoulders. Maybe you drop those down to like 3 or 4 sets, keep a set off of each of those days, and on the 7th day, you're just gonna do 1 set to 2 sets of each in a full body way of everything that you do in the week. You're just gonna do each of those movements for 1 set. and that would be a 7th day. Or you can include some weak points, like focus on a muscle group that you want to like grow, or if you have some stability issues or ab issues or flexibility, mobility. The 7th day, you could just be a more of, pick up the pieces where we're lacking, okay? So it'd basically be, my recommendation would be keep the 6 days of push-pull legs, and then the 7th day, instead of resting, you're just doing some low impact mobility, flexibility, or working on those muscle groups. For men, it's usually like lateral delts and arms, and women, it's usually booties and arms, is what I've, come to realize after working with so many different clients, that those are the points that they usually come in asking to improve the most. Again, the majority of clients that I've worked with want to train 3 days a week. And everyone that has come to me asking for 2 to 3 workouts a week, I always highly recommend doing full body functional strength training exercises. But even if you want to do more, I'm going to teach you how to structure your workouts, the reps, sets, and exercises to optimize for that.